Hey guys, but me and my cousin are gonna teach you how to do this. One.
So yeah, like and subscribe to the video if you really like this. Please like, subscribe.
And we're doing
I'm just
another
gonna
video.
crack the mic real quick.
I've got any more to use.
So yeah, what he said is this. So yeah, it's really gonna be easy in today's video. It's basically cracking your neck.
Yeah, I framed my dad.
Really easy.
Yeah.
But we're not going to be telling you.
We're not gonna tell you how to do it when this first starts video.
We'll tell you next week.
So all it takes is simply like, it takes like a lot of practice in order to do this. Like it takes like a couple minutes.
It's not a couple minutes, but
Yeah, it takes a couple minutes to get this right.
no, a couple days and stuff.
Yeah. Basically, yeah, because like if you need to do the timing and practice really right. So all it takes is
You
a
have to
pasta
try to
noodle.
get it in the right
Take a
place.
pasta noodle and pretend my fingers on my teeth. You want to put it in there like this, and you just snap down. It's like you just try to bite down on the pasta stick.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna show you guys.
but it kind of cracks your neck too.
See that, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back into this video. So yeah, but if you guys like, comment down below what you like to crack the most. Your fingers, your neck. Please tell us. So
Yeah,
yeah.
go in the comments.